Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel today. I received a wonderful package from LUVME Hair. They sent me their 18-inch Bodywave glueless wig, and as you guys can see, they sent me some goodies along with the unit. They sent me a wonderful wide tooth comb. They ended up also giving me a nice pamphlet with hair care instructions, directions, things of that nature, a nice cute little pouchy, some press-ons, I don't know why, and they also ended up sending me a little brooch, some lashes, and a little cute ass scrunchie that I'm definitely gonna use for my hair. Right now, you guys are just seeing this bomb ass unit that they sent me. These curls, however, did end up disappearing, which you guys are going to see later on because I ended up washing the unit. But as y'all can see, the girl is bouncy. Now, of course, I had to bleach these knots because we know damn well that that's not my skin color. I forgot to mention, but this wig is 180 density. Now, this is a 4x4 closure, and this lace is super duper nice, thin and crisp, and I just hope, not even hope, I just know damn well that I have to get a frontal lace front from them. Now, y'all see me going in with my BW2 powder as well as some 40 developer to get a nice thick pasty consistency to bleach my knots. I just really wanted to show you guys how easy it was for me to bleach these knots because I be struggling with my AliExpress wigs, and I had to only bleach this closure one time, and it did what it had to do. After coating my closure with my bleach, I ended up putting a plastic bag over the lace so that it can process faster. Now, I'm about to start plucking this wig, and what I did, my little method was that as I was doing it, I was actually flattening the hair so that I could see where I'm thinning the lace and the knots so that it's not over plucked, but it's plucked enough that I can melt it into my skin when I install the wig. I'm just gonna go in using my black Opal True Color foundation stick slash contour stick. I use this to contour, but I really like the dark shade, and I also can't find my other dark foundation, so this is gonna have to do. Alright y'all, so I just wanted you guys to see the unit before I threw it on. I of course washed the wig when I got it compared to how I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. The curls that came with the wig were absolutely beautiful, bouncy, soft, gorgeous, amazing. However, you know, your girl cannot throw on no wig without it being washed because my scalp would be on fire. So as y'all can see, I went along and bleached the knots on this wig, and the lace is so amazing because I didn't have to bleach twice. A lot of the time, y'all know I'm an AliExpress girl. I get my wigs from AliExpress all day, every day. However, when I do, sometimes the lace be thick as fuck or the knots be too double knotted or triple knotted, quadruple knotted. So sometimes I have to go in with bleach not once but twice, or sometimes even 3 times. Ghetto as fuck. But with this like unit, as y'all saw in the beginning, was super duper gray, super white, and it just wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. And this is the closure without any foundation on, without any tint, without anything. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same foundation stick color that I used on my wig cap. I'm also going to use that on the wig in itself. So now I'm just gonna go in and use my Keracare to just slick down the wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Bedhead TIGI or TIGI, pretty sure it's TIGI, hard head. This is the extreme hold. This is the level 5 spray, and it's absolutely amazing. Now what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and spritz this on there, and I'm going to use my wig band to secure it. And as I have my bedhead cooling off or drying off, now it's time to get the curls back together. Now as y'all see, this is an 18-inch unit. It's up to like right before we get to my boobs. So what I'm gonna start off with is by going in and moisturizing using my Biosilk Oil, and I'm only gonna use a dime-sized amount because this product is good enough for that. So I didn't mention this, but starting off, I ended up using my Tychee Black Heat Protectant Spray, of course, to just go in and spray every section that I went over so I wouldn't get any heat damage to the wig. Alright guys, so originally I curled my entire head using this 1.5-inch curling wand. However, I didn't like how loose and beach wavy it left the curls. I wanted it just a little bit tighter. So in a little bit you guys are going to see me going in with my Babyliss Flatiron and actually curling my hair. That's actually how I ended up leaving my hair with the flat iron instead of the curling iron, because I felt like it didn't do much for the look that I was going for. Alright y'all, so now the curls is in a nice little body wig thing that we got going on, y'all. Your girl struggled for a little bit, but we got it together. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this elastic band. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use some more foundation just to hide the lace, y'all. And I think I'm gonna do some baby hairs, maybe-ish, but let's see. And just like that, the wig is on the head, and as y'all can see, it's giving very, very much like business attire, very much professional dress. You see the vibes? Now my curls did end up dropping just a tad bit because I was, you know, doing my edges, and I was also filming a TikTok video at the same time. So but I absolutely love how this unit came out, y'all. So LUVME Hair sent me this unit to review for you guys, and as y'all can see, it's giving very much everything that it's supposed to give. This is a 4x4 closure. If y'all did not hear me say that in the beginning, I'm saying it again. Now, if you do want a tighter curl, I would suggest just finger combing with your, you know, fingers and not a actual wide tooth comb, because of course it's gonna help drop the hair. The point was to just give you guys a nice, natural, flowy look. And as y'all can see, it's giving very much everything it has to give. And this is my new work wig. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I had a blast filming for you guys. I made it my mission to show you guys from start to finish me doing this wig. Every single step along the way, I did not have not a single issue. And I'm not even just saying this because they sent me this wig for free. Now, when like I mentioned before, usually whenever I, you know, I'm
the AliExpress bitch. Usually whenever I buy wigs from AliExpress, sometimes I do have to go in and bleach the knots more than once, for the simple fact that the knots are either too big or they're too knotted, or the lace just like is not the best lace. Before I bleached it, y'all could see that shit was white as fuck. And who was that? Whose head was that going on? Not this head. So y'all know I definitely had to sit there and go in and bleach the knots. I literally bleached the knots for what, about 15-20 minutes using 40 developer, and it turned out absolutely beautifully. Like y'all saw, I went in and tinted my wig using my foundation. I'm going to link every single product that I use down in the description box below. And just like that, guys, we are finished with this wig review. I do sincerely hope that you guys enjoyed this video and how I curled the wig, washed the wig, bleached the wig, plucked the wig, did all that tea for you guys. Like I said, I will link this unit down in the description box for you guys so you can go ahead and purchase this wig. Now y'all know I'm always a bust down straight middle part type of girl, but today we decided to go in and do this beautiful install. And it was, y'all, when I tell y'all, had I not done my makeup, I would have been done with this wig in and out 30 minutes, literally. I just had to part it, curl it, and then do my baby hairs, and then I was done. I used my Bedhead. This baby right here, y'all, 10 out of 10, okay? As always, thank you so much for supporting my channel from day one, y'all. We almost at 1,000 subscribers. I know my consistency sucks, but I just be busy. I be busy. So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.